Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to this particular video that I would have rather not done today, but I have a little bit enough of this, the whole story, so I'm going to put that online now, and hopefully some other people who consider pre-ordering this watch or who have already pre-ordered and are in the same case than me, hopefully this will help you guys to do to get your money back or to do some to avoid to buy this watch. Anyway, so a lot of people probably saw this fancy website where they describe the amazing watch and all the benefits and the collection they have and what it does and blah 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 blah. I was really motivated to get it, especially for monitoring physical condition, fitness, etc. when I work, so it would have been a good tool to have for this purpose. At the time there was a button here to press. They remove it, of course, now. When you press it, it brings you directly to this page in Indiegogo, which was not Kickstarter. I don't wanted to kickstart a project. I don't wanted to back a project on Kickstarter, because usually Kickstarter, it's for, it's not sure, it's not going to be completed, maybe you may lose your money, etc., etc. But there was another button that just say pre-order now. So when you go to pre-order now, you end up to this page, and that's several packs that you can get. So I was getting the first pack, the $169 blah 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 special pack discount, and I paid. It was in October 2017, and the estimated delivery was December 2017. So here is my order. I got placed on October 18, 2017. Original price with shipping and probably tax, $187, almost $200 for a watch. It's kind of reasonable. That's plus or minus the price where the smartwatch are these days, so I was okay with that. But then came the bad things, the updates. The first update said it was around here in December 4. The first update said that because of testing and the ECG electrode is affected, the GPS may be affected, blah 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 blah. The next shipping, we confirm, and it's funny because they say we can confirm that the new shipping dates of Chronovo will be on the 23rd of December. Already October, November, December, 3 months later, everybody is impatient to get it. 3 months now, December, okay, people are saying, let's get it for Christmas, right? Nope, nothing happened. And here we go again. There is another update. What a surprise. On January 4th, 2018, so they sent this other update. And now they said, because blah 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 blah, crappy excuse, that's the new shipping date is now being moved to March 2018. I like the fact that they confirmed, they were 100% sure. Remember, we can confirm that the new shipping date will be on December 23. But look at that, now nothing moved until March 2018. So that's a classic shame that scammers use to scam you, because they provide you excuses and reason of delay, and in the meantime they try to gain time. They try to have as much time as possible from the moment you paid to their promises and supposedly product, because that way the more time you wait, the less chance you have to get your money back, and the more chance they have to run away with it. A lot of people started to realize that, to complain in the comments. The main complaint that people show, it's, all the updates, none of them show a picture of prototype, something real being made. If they are like so close and so testing, people start to ask for refund now, which is legit, and I ask for refund as well. I contacted Indiegogo about this issue. They said they investigate it, but they said to contact Darren Phillips, the guy in charge of the project. They give me his email. I sent several emails and he never came back to me. I even click on the ask question here, never came back to me. And it's funny because now it disappears. When you click like view profile here, There is no more his picture, everything disappear, all his personal information disappear from here. People are reporting people on Kickstarter because poor people on Kickstarter that back it up the project as well. As you can see, they report it's a scam, and they report also that, here we go. This one says absolutely a scam. The creator of this and the rest of their media have removed their name as much as they can from anything with the Chronovo name or its affiliate. The guy who submitted this project has no contact information and has taken himself off social media. See, it's definitely a scam. A lot of people complain about it. A lot of people want a refund. Yeah, at this point, it's a big scam. That's it. So, and at the time, you know, when you land on the pre-order page, which was this page, nothing tell you, I didn't knew that Indiegogo works like Kickstarter, so nothing tells you that this page was also backing up a project that is not finished. I was really waiting, you know, I have my pre-order, I was waiting for my watch. So what I did and what you can do, it's first of all you can ask a chargeback to your bank. Apparently Kickstarter and Indiegogo have policy because apparently they send the money to Darren Phillips now, so they cannot refund you for some reason. Doesn't matter, ask for a chargeback. The more chargeback requests they have, at some point the bank will see that something is going on, and those websites will have no other choice than refund you. If that don't work, you can also do other things. You can do something that I really advise you to do. It's to go here. It's the FBI for Internet Crime Complaint Center, the FBI page, the official FBI page. You file a complaint and you explain the whole story. They will ask you for your name, address, what's going on, etc., etc. File a complaint here because this guy are in contact with the local UK police and can investigate those guys from Chronovo directly in the UK, since they are based in the UK. So I really advise you to file a complaint here with the FBI about those guys, so they cannot, you know, just run away with your money. Hopefully they will be caught, and hopefully that will speed up the refund for everybody. Don't worry, I will put all the link in the description about this page. Also the other page I will advise you to go, and this is the official Facebook page from Chronovo. I also tried to contact those guys here. They never answer me. And so you just click here and you say report page and you report it as scam. If a lot of people report it, it was going to be taken down. Also, another thing you can do is go to their YouTube page and either reports the page as scam, or you can just put comments like I'm going to do on all their videos saying that warning, it's a scam, don't pre-order. But they're probably going to remove the comment if anybody is still monitoring this channel. So you choose, either put the comment. If you don't see the comment there, then just flag for scam. And also something else I can I've done and you can do, it's go to GoDaddy, because Chronovo.com is hosted by GoDaddy, and just write to abuse@godaddy.com here, and you write them that this website Chronovo.com is just running a scam and you want to report it. So that's what you can do. The main thing, of course, is still trying to do the chargeback in your bank like I did and see what's going to happen. But as you can see, it's big scam going on now, and at this point there's always this CG or fake video going on. They never show anything. They give lame excuses, and they just try to win some time to run with the money and have nothing done to them. Some people still believe in it. Some people see, as you can see, people say, please stop accusing the developer of lie, blah blah blah. But you know, if it was a legit company with a legit product, we will see some picture online of, you know, the actual work or the actual prototype and etc. etc. But at this point, it was not supposed to be a prototype. I remind you that, you know, it was supposed to be ready to ship. Again, ready to ship, confirmed to ship, for sure. And we can confirm the new shipping dates on December 2023. So yeah, big scam right there. So here you go. Hopefully you will know what to do now to get your money back, or at least if you see this video, you were considering buying this watch. Do not buy, do not pre-order. This is a scam. The big thing there is, even if, with a big if, even if this is still not a scam and they are still working on this watch, and by some miracle it will be there in March, imagine if you have a problem with the watch and you want some support with it. Nothing will happen, because you see the trouble to just have the watch, and all the lie they do, and all the fact that they remove themselves from everywhere. And if you get a product, then you contact support and they don't even answer your question, and don't even want to repair the watch or give you a new one because yours is dead on arrival. It's finished. I mean, even if this is a real project, a real product, I will never buy it. I prefer to buy something else from another brand that stand behind a product and show products that are real, with a real support behind it. So here you go, guys. Hopefully this video helped you to make the right choice. You have everything you need to report those guys, and hopefully you will get your money back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you like it. Please don't do I don't like the video because you don't like the watch. This is not how it works. Go on their website and complain about the watch instead of complaining on my YouTube channel. That will be very appreciated. Thanks you again for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.